All right, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had made for a customer. So now this one here is 925 sterling silver. You got the Starburst design with the diamond dust finish. Check that out. This is made from an impression of the customer's teeth for a perfect fit. And the real silver. You can get this on the website, blingcartel.com. You can do a top or a bottom or a set, and you choose how many teeth you want. I'm gonna show you the back side. These snap right on the teeth. You see how these are just made like to fit like a glove. Look at that. Okay, they just snap on the teeth. You don't need to put any kind of adhesive or silicone, anything like that. Just snap on, snap off, real quick. And it's a beautiful, really a masterpiece, handmade. You can get yours on our website, blingcartel.com. Check it out. Thanks for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.